Community Day of Service, and so we're joined by a lot of different volunteers of Barrett staff, faculty, students, and parents, all doing sort of mini service projects. So right behind me is a packing station for Women Tempe, which is a nonprofit that supplies feminine hygiene products to women and girls across the state of Arizona, which is super fun. We're doing lots of other cool service projects today. It's just a great day for the community.
A lot of these charities I haven't heard of before, so it's an opportunity to see how these guys are impacting our community and see a lot of cool missions that I wasn't aware of before.
Valley of the Sun United Way has been a partner with ASU for many years, and we are here for Barrett's Family Day of Service, doing a lot of volunteer activities to support our local community here in Tempe. We are building over 700 feminine hygiene kits that support Women for Women. We are building 750 snack bags that are going to the Tempe Community Action Agency, one of our housing and homelessness partners locally. We are building 150 book-in-a-bags that will go to the Boys and Girls Club to support third grade literacy reading levels across Arizona. And then 200 mindfulness kits, which also support sensory and refocusing in the classroom, that are going to Thu Elementary locally here in Tempe. ASU is one of the most engaged partners for United Way. We love working with the students and the families as an extra connection to our community. They're always great partners, willing to roll up their sleeves and give back in all different types of ways. Service is one way that we all as a community can come together for the greater good and support our neighbors.
Events like this are super important because they bring together our students and their families and our staff and faculty to do something together, so it helps to build our community, but it also does something for our local community, which is something that's really important to the ethos of Barrett. We want to be agents for good in our local community. So yeah, it's great to come together and do some service on a Saturday.